Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the unhandled exception has occurred error that sometimes appears when running applications. And now, let's get started. This error typically surfaces when an application is launched, or can even appear unexpectedly. Frequently, it stems from a corrupted .NET framework, damaged Windows system files, or outdated system drivers. Let's dive into the solutions. Begin by clicking the Windows Start button and opening Settings. Within the Settings window, navigate to the Windows Update tab and select Update History. Under Related Settings, click on Uninstall Updates. You will see a list of recently installed updates. Review the dates and uninstall the most recent update, as a new update can sometimes cause conflicts with the .NET framework and damage its files. After uninstalling the update, restart your system and attempt to run the application again to see if the problem is resolved. If this does not fix the issue, proceed to the next step. Go to the Windows search bar and type Windows Features. Then, turn Windows Features on or off. In this window, confirm that both .NET Framework options are checked. If either is unchecked, enable both and click OK. Windows will then search for the necessary files. After a few moments, you will encounter a screen prompting you to download files. Select the first option, which allows Windows Update to download the files. This process will download and install any required or missing .NET Framework components. This operation might take several minutes, so allow it to finish completely. Once Windows has finished applying the changes, close this window and return to the Windows search. Now open Command Prompt as an administrator. Here we will execute a couple of crucial commands. First, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will scan your system files and automatically repair any corrupted or missing files. It frequently resolves numerous underlying issues, including those related to the .NET framework. Let this scan complete until it reaches 100%. After that, execute the next command, which is the Deployment Image Servicing and Management command. Ensure you type this command precisely. Both commands will be provided in the video description for you to copy and paste directly into your command window. This tool repairs corruption within the local Windows image and resolves issues that might hinder Windows functionality. Allow this process to complete as well. Once both commands have finished, restart your computer one more time. This action should resolve the unhandled exception has occurred error in your applications. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.